everyone, please welcome and join me Easy Steps Cooking. Please click on the bell icon. You will get all the notification of my new videos, and let's get started. Very delicious. And we're going to add Parmesan cheese. Some more Parmesan cheese. Very delicious. Super yum. I'm going to show you today how to make delicious bison spaghetti. These are the ingredients I'm going to use. Spaghetti. This is 500 gram. And as for the packet, it says it will take 11 minutes to get tender. Ground bison, and this is a 1.25 pound, which is 567 gram. 1 red onion, ginger, garlic, green chili, 2 teaspoons each. You can use any sauce. I'm going to use this sauce, tomato and basil. Olive oil for tadka and spices for masala dabba. And cilantro. I have a video posted on my channel for bison keema. Please check it out. Let's start making our delicious bison spaghetti. Start the burner, and I have a pot filled with water. So we're going to bring the water to boil. On this side, we're going to start burner, and we're going to get a kadai. First, we're going to add olive oil. 1 tablespoon olive oil. As the oil starts to heat up, I'll add garlic. And ginger. We're going to cook them for 10 seconds. This is good enough, and now we're going to add onions. Mix it. We're going to saute onion until they are nicely translucent. So keep it moving and keep cooking. Cooking onion for 3 minutes. Add green chili. Mix it and keep cooking. Cooking green chili along with tadka for 1 more minute. So altogether cooking onion for 4 minutes. This is all we need. Now we're going to add spices. 1 teaspoon salt, 1 teaspoon black pepper, cumin powder 1 teaspoon, coriander powder 1 teaspoon, turmeric powder ½ teaspoon. Mix it. We're going to cook spices along with tadka for 1 minute. Cooking spices for 1 minute. Now add ground bison. Mix it. Now bring your gas on low and keep mixing like this and keep cooking. Now we're going to cook bison on low gas. The ground bison don't take that long to cook. As you see, it's already start to cook. On the other side, the water is started to boil. get from the spaghetti packet, and we're going to place it in. Make sure that you move around. Add half teaspoon salt. Give it stir one time. This is good. And cover it. Cover it halfway like this so it won't boil out. Now it's going to take 11 minutes to get tender. The time it gets tender, and as you've seen on this side, on low gas, if you notice, the oil start to ooze out. You see, so much oil came out of ground bison and the olive oil we added. So there is still some lumps. We're going to break them open. Another minute of cooking ground bison, and if you see that it's nicely combined, and now bring your gas on a simmer. Cover with the lid, and we're going to cook 10 more minutes. After 5 minutes, just stir it so it won't get burned. The reason being, we're cooking for 10 minutes. 1 minute is already passed. Again, the packet says 11 minutes. So depending on your burner, on your pot, it can take less or longer. And I will give you the exact time how long it took to get tender. It's exactly 5 minutes on simmer. The ground bison is fully cooked. We're going to wait another 5 minutes. And on the other side, it's a 6 minutes. It still needs to get tender. As you can see, it's almost doubled up in size. So we're going to wait 5 more minutes. As the package says 11 minutes. It's exactly 10 minutes. And if we check now, it's already done. So as the package says 11 minutes, so like I said, depending on the burner, I have a bigger pot, maybe it took me less. Turn off the heat and drain the water, then I'll bring it into the bison. And on this side, the bison is fully cooked. I'll open it. If you look at in the middle, start to release all the oil. Bring the gas on high. Mix it. Add salt. We're going to add some water. Shake it. Mix it well. Once it's nicely combined, now on the other side we drain the water and we'll bring spaghetti inside. Now with the help of spoon and mix it well. Once it's nicely combined, now we're going to add cilantro. And mix it. Once it's nicely combined, add some Parmesan cheese. Mix it again. Our dish is ready. I'm going to turn off the gas. Very delicious. I have my serving plate ready and we're going to dish out. Very delicious. This is super yum. If you haven't tried with the bison, please try it. Let me share with you. You've seen it. It's so easy to make it and it's very delicious recipe. If you haven't tried bison, please try it and you're going to like it. If you like this recipe, like always, like, share and subscribe. Easy Steps Cooking. Thank you and have a good day. Bye-bye.